Linguistic is a scientific study of the structure and development language in general or of particular languages. The study of linguistics had known as the umbrella or the core of any particular study. Hello everyone, my name is Nur Radianza, a student of University of Esa Unggul, part of English Education Department. In this video, allow me to explore one of the branches in the topics of linguistics, and that is code switching and code mixing. First of all, I want to give you the general and definition term of code switching and code mixing. First off, what is code switching? According to the Britannica website, code switching is a process of shifting from one linguistic to another language. Code switching can be a way for speakers to express their identity, align with certain social groups, or to establish solidarity with others. Now, move on to what is code mixing. Code mixing refers to the practice of using elements from two or more languages within a single sentence, or it happens in a daily conversation. Mainly, usually spoken by multilingual and bilingual speakers. Code mixing and code switching often happens in our daily conversation without anybody noticing, or even despite the person that's speaking it is not even a bilingual or multilingual speakers, because nowadays language has already morphed into an unspecific category of mixed languages. Now, let's move on to the example of usage of code switching and code mixing in a daily conversation. I will give you and take an example from, I will choose from YouTube video the interview between Cinta Laura and Maudy Ayunda titled Kuliah ke luar negeri itu perlu nggak sih? The interview is centered around two female public figures from Indonesia, Cinta Laura and Maudy Ayunda, who happens to be both of them are singer and both of them possess the ability to speak in two different languages, which come across that both of them are multilingual speakers. Now, let me give you the example from the video. Here are the example of code mixing in the video.
Well, it's really lovely to have you here. And aku nggak sabar, topik kita hari ini menurut aku menarik banget dan
In that minute, we see Cinta giving a statement. Well, it's really lovely to have you here, and aku nggak sabar karena topik kita hari ini menarik banget. First, Cinta Laura stated, well, it's really lovely to have you here as a gesture of welcoming in English, and then continue it with aku nggak sabar karena topik kita hari ini menarik banget. Now, this is one of the example of code switching in the video. Cinta switch between English and Bahasa because she's interpret the conversation as a daily multilingual speaker, and as herself the possession of multilingual speaker, so Cinta Laura is able to morph between the two languages of code switching. Now let's move on to another example in the video.
Home really becomes kayak semacam safety bubble juga buat aku. Karena I don't know if you know this, but I'm like a huge introvert.
Now, home is become kayak semacam safety bubble juga buat aku. Next is one of the example of code mixing, and that is spoken by Maudy Ayunda. Safety bubble is not an Indonesian language, but Maudy Ayunda uses the phrase to describe something that safety bubble is a place to whom the person feels safe. So it's a metaphor language, not an acronym or not an actual bubble. Let's go and move on to another example of code switching and code mixing in the video that I will present.
Sebenarnya orang tua aku tuh bukan yang pushy gitu loh secara akademis. Mereka lumayan santai.
Now, sebenarnya orang tua aku itu bukan yang pushy gitu loh. Pushy is a word in English that means ambitious or behaving too much to get something. That's the general definition of pushy. Maudy addressed this word in a sentence to describe that her parents does not possess the traits of being pushy to the children. In a social linguistic field, the whole sentence, sebenarnya orang tua aku bukan yang pushy gitu loh, is the example of code mixing if we breaking down the base part of the sentence. In conclusion, code mixing and code switching often happens in a particular situation where both speakers are accidentally, coincidentally, or whatever happens that participate in a dialogue and both of them are able to possess a bilingual speaker. Or even if you're not familiar, or if both of the speakers are not bilingual, we still happen to talk in a code mixing and code switching way by using slangs and other unpopular terms that we all know today. In this context, Cinta Laura and Maudy Ayunda, however, keep in mind, code switching and code mixing can happen in any settings and conversation. My name is Nur Adianza, signing out.